Hi, I'm Sara Rogers, trend specialist for the Mall of America. It's fall season, and I'd like to show you some of my picks. Let's check out a few stores, including the first one, Aritzia. One of the biggest trends for fall, animal print, and there are lots to choose from. How about a little zebra in your life, like that? Check this out. Isn't this a pretty blouse? Love how that flows. Look at that. Need a little bodysuit in your life? That's going to be fabulous with some of those high-waist silhouettes you have. One of the things that I love about the Good American store, it's their fit. Their tagline, they fit any body. One of my favorite jeans here at the Good American store, it's called the Good Curve. If you're like me and you're a little bit fuller on the bottom than you are on top, I love the way this jean celebrates my curves. Check it out. A hot style here at Doc Martens, it's the Chelsea boot. Another hot pick though in boots this season, you gotta go white. I love these boots. Any one of the colors, pick your favorite. But girl, it's the heel. And this looks good with skirts and jeans. It's hot. I feel like accessories are a great way to get the look of the moment. And this season, it's all about accessorizing your hair with scarves. This one with the built-in scrunchie, I love this color. My pick for accessorizing your hair, let's do a barrette. You can double dose or you can go with just one, but it's a fun way to get the look of the moment. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun sharing some of my favorite trends. Best wishes finding yours.